Hey boys and girls, today we will be talking about critical thinking and how it applies to the scientific method. So what is critical thinking? We use critical thinking every single day when we ask questions, when we look at information and evidence, and when we come up with conclusions based on our evidence. Now what do all of these things have in common? They are all part of the scientific method. Critical thinking can help us solve many everyday problems, and we're going to look at one today. Let's take a look at this situation. Here we have a flashlight. Now the problem is this flashlight won't turn on. We just made an observation. Using our critical thinking skills, we can start asking questions and make a prediction. So we could say, maybe, is the light bulb out? Or are the batteries dead? Or is there something else wrong with the flashlight? Next, we're going to use our critical thinking skills and put them to the test. Let's start by adding a new light bulb, because that might be the problem. Nope, the flashlight still doesn't work. Using our critical thinking skills, we can conclude the problem isn't the light bulb. So we used what we know about adding a new light bulb, and it still didn't work. Alright, so we came up again with a conclusion. So let's use a different method and let's add some new batteries. Wow, it works! Using our critical thinking skills, we can come up with the conclusion that the problem was the batteries. So in review, what is critical thinking? It's asking questions, looking at information and evidence, and coming up with conclusions based on that information and evidence. When to use critical thinking? We use critical thinking in our everyday observations. So whether you're walking down the street or at school or at home, you can use critical thinking skills to help you solve different problems. Another way we need to make sure we're using our critical thinking skills is when we're looking at information on TV or online. We have to make observations and see if what we're presented is true or valuable or viable, and then make conclusions based on those evidence.